Welcome to Production Post Alpha. My name is Brian Babinick, and this is Music Theory for Music Production. If you ever tried cracking a textbook on classical theory, then you know it can almost be like trying to read an unfamiliar language. Not to mention there's chapter after chapter of content we'll never need to use when making music with software. I've been there. I've failed the sight singing tests. I've had to fight for a passing grade in classical theory. Everything changed when I began to study pop and commercial music theory, because it's all stuff we can actually use. With this course, I've filtered the otherwise complicated subject of music theory down to only the nuts and bolts that'll apply to modern music production and songwriting. In my nearly 20 years of making electronic music, I've written drum and bass, house music, even some hip hop. In 2020, I finally took the plunge and launched my own vinyl record label, Yukon Punch Recordings, along with my current artist alias, Black Yukon Sucker Punch. For the last 5 years, I've been a teacher of media arts at Nathan Hale High School in Seattle, Washington, with specialized courses on broadcast, journalism, and music technology. In this extensive 18-part course, I'm going to share everything you need to know to get started writing quality songs in music production software like Ableton Live, Logic Pro, FL Studio, or any other digital audio workstation. Throughout the different video modules, I'll pose challenges, do demonstrations, and translate some of the more challenging concepts into tangible and formulaic techniques. Whether you just need to brush up on some theory that you've learned in the past, or you're starting completely from scratch, this course is for you. By the end, you'll understand rhythm and musical timing, notes and musical pitch, keys and scales, how to write drum arrangements, bass lines, chords, and melodies, song structure, and how to apply all of it in your digital audio workstation of choice. Throughout this course, you're welcome to reach out on social media at Production Post Alpha or via email productionpostalpha@gmail.com if you have questions or comments. Let's get to it.